To add custom fonts in Mailchimp, start by logging into your account on the Mailchimp website. Once logged in, click on the Create button and select Regular Email, then click on the Design Email button. This will open a window where you can fill in details such as the From field, email subject, and email send time. After filling in these details, click on the Design Email button next to the Content tab. Next, select a template that you like, which will provide you with various options to edit your email. To add custom fonts, select the text and click on the font option, where you can choose from available fonts. If you want to add more fonts, visit the Google Fonts website, select the font you like, and click on the Get button. Then, click on Get Embedded Code, copy the text after the font family text, and return to Mailchimp. In Mailchimp, click on the Source button and add the style, entering font family and pasting the text you copied from Google Fonts. This will change the font, and that's how you can add custom fonts in Mailchimp.